Hi, my name is Ryan and I'm a proud student of Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology. For over 25 years, NMIT has stood for its academic excellence, shaping innovators and leaders across the country. NMIT is the nation's most trusted engineering institution, with future-focused programs across BTech, MTech, MBA, MCA and PhD, along with unique courses such as Civil Aviation Pilot Training, Civil Aviation Flight Dispatcher and Robotics and AI. Every student here finds a path to success. Education at NMIT is built around real-world experience. We learn through research projects, industry collaborations, modern labs, internships and global exposure that prepare us for the future with confidence and skill. The community here is what makes the journey special. Surrounded by passionate professors, supportive mentors and talented peers, we grow not just as students, but as individuals who can take real challenges and create meaningful impact. And beyond academics, a vibrant campus life full of fests, clubs and events makes this journey unforgettable. NMIT isn't just a college, it's where futures are built, and yours can begin here.